Secret Study Tips for Topper. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about secret study tips for topper. Yes, most of the students are struggling to get high score and want to become topper at class. Achieving academic excellence requires more than just time spent with textbooks. It also depends upon the way you study and the time you spend with your studies. Achieving the status of topper requires dedication, effective study strategy and consistent effort. Firstly, they prioritize quality over quantity, focusing on understanding concepts thoroughly rather than memorizing information. When you understand the topic, it's very easy to remember and write an exam successfully. Listen carefully at class while teaching. It's very important to be present mentally and physically. Clear your mind of distractions and be fully present in the classroom. Be comfortable and sit in a position that allows you to see and hear the teacher clearly. Always maintain eye contact with the teacher. This helps signal your attentiveness and can improve your focus. If the teacher is using visuals, pay close attention to them. Visuals can often enhance your understanding of the material. Ask questions when you don't understand. Don't wait till last minute. Ask questions when you need clarification or further explanation. If you don't understand, don't hesitate to raise your hand or politely interrupt the teacher to seek clarification in the moment. Engage in class discussions and activities. Being an active participant may make you feel more comfortable asking questions when needed. Embrace the mindset that it's okay not to have a complete understanding from the start. Asking questions is a fundamental part of the learning process. Finish all your homework and assignment on time. Timely completion of assignments allows you to stay on top of your coursework, leading to better understanding and retention of the material. Finishing assignments on time requires effective time management. This skill is valuable not only in academics but also in various aspects of life, preparing you for future challenges. Consistently submitting assignments on time builds a positive reputation with teachers. This allows you to review your work, make necessary corrections, and enhance the overall quality of your assignments. Always highlight the words and sentence. Highlighting can help maintain focus and concentration by actively engaging with the text. It encourages you to pay closer attention to important information. Highlighting allows for visual organization of information. Color-coded highlights can help you quickly identify key concepts, supporting details, and other relevant information. Highlighted text provides a quick reference during class discussions or when reviewing material later. It streamlines the process of finding important details. Also helps to maintain engagement with the text by actively involving you in the reading process. It's important to note that while highlighting can be a beneficial study tool, study consistently every day. Consistency is a way to reach your goals. Consistent daily study helps reinforce learning and enhances memory retention. Regular exposure to information is more effective than cramming before exams. It helps you allocate your time wisely, balancing academic responsibilities with other aspects of life. Regular study sessions provide an opportunity for deepening your understanding of complex topics. It helps preparing you for the long-term goals associated with education and personal development. Keep your phone away when studying. By keeping your phone away, you reduce the temptation to check messages, social media, or notifications, minimizing distractions and allowing for better concentration on your studies. Without the constant interruptions from your phone, you can maintain a higher level of concentration on the task at hand. Without the constant buzz of notifications, you can engage in more quality and focused study sessions. A phone-free study environment promotes increased productivity, creates a positive and focused atmosphere conducive to learning. Review regularly what you've learned. Regular review strengthens memory retention. It helps solidify information in your long-term memory, making it easier to recall during exams and in real-world applications. When it's time to prepare for exams, you'll already have a solid foundation of knowledge. Regular reviews reduce the need for intensive last-minute cramming, making exam preparation more efficient and less stressful. Regular reviews prepare you for different exam formats, whether they involve multiple choice questions, essays, or practical applications of knowledge. The secret study tips employed by academic high achievers provide valuable insights into the strategies that contribute to their success. These secret study tips collectively form a holistic approach to learning, emphasizing not only the content but also the mindset, habits, and environment that foster academic excellence. Incorporating these tips into one's study routine holds the potential to unlock a more effective and fulfilling learning experience.